Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Motherson Sumi Systems. Now let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of Motherson Sumi. The stock on listing was just at 1.90, 1 rupee 90 paise. It's nearly 2 rupees. But now the stock is trading 235, which is almost 1000 times increased its price, and now I have found a swing trade opportunity in the stock. The stock, after a long period of tight range, it broke the range at 2012 and gave more than 1000% returns, and the stock fell more than 50%. It is a cycle stock. The stock perform when the auto sector and the economy is doing well, and the stock will fall when the economy or the auto sector is not doing well. Currently, it's trading near the all-time high, so it's good to take trade because look at the green candles in this uptrend. So these green candles shows that the buyers are very strong in the stock, and look at the volumes. The green volumes are very much higher than the red volumes. Now let me move to the weekly chart. In this weekly chart, let us draw the major resistance line, which is a previous all-time high for the stock, and I will draw another line which can be act as the major confluence area. Look at this specific spot where it formed a head and shoulder and hit at the target here, and after hitting the target it fell more because of the corona surges that's happened on March 2020. But now this time it's really different in the stock because look at the green candles here. The candles are very huge and violent, so the bulls are very much strong in the stock. Now let me analyze the stock on daily basis. Before moving to the daily basis analysis, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, hit like button, which will encourage us to do such videos more and more. And feel free to comment below your questions and queries regarding the charts, and suggest your ideas and thoughts on this chart in below comment section. Now it's a daily chart of Motherson Sumi. Now let me draw a region of value. This can be considered as a region of value because the resistance were touched twice. This acted as the resistance twice, and now it broke the price broke the range, and now it took a retracement here. See, always before earnings call, the stock may fall or rise, which signifies the insiders in the stock accumulating or deaccumulating the stock because they know the informations before the public and retail investors. So if the stock fell too much before the earnings call, it will jump back to the higher levels after the earnings call. If the stock spike up too much before the earnings call, it may fall down because they are ready to sell at higher prices. Now in this stock, the stock is currently in the retracement zone. The stock, after hitting the resistance, now it taking the support at the support level, and now it may reverse to the uptrend. So one can take a target of 10% from the current market price. So one can take entry at current market price, which is around 235 range, and one can take 260 as the first target. But this target is very minimal because the stock was on consolidation for more than 2 months, so the stock may perform very well. So one can take 274 as the target, first target, and 302 as the second target. But one should be cautious because the stock is trading around the new all-time high, so we should be cautious on such moves. So enter the stock at current market price and take target at 260 level, but the fib extension shows the target of 274, which can also taken if the stock crosses 260 level, and one can use 21-day moving average WMA for the trailing stop losses. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and feel free to comment below your queries and questions, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and share these videos with your friends and family. Thank you.